So this is the final burger machine, which is pretty much in great shape. This is a prototype, obviously, but it shows every real part of the machine. Let us start with the control panel. This is a control panel. Users have options to enter whatever choices they need. This is the collection tray where the burger will be collected. This is the heating mechanism where the heating will happen. This is a conveyor which brings the burger into the heating mechanism. Now let's go over to the main rack. This is a rack where loading of the burgers will happen. You can insert various burgers here. This is a sensor which determines whether the burger is inside a particular cabin or not. We call it as the cell. This is a mechanism which brings the burger out from the rack and onto the conveyor belt. Let us go behind the scenes a little bit and see that these push mechanisms that push the burger out of the rack. This is the motor which and this is a chain assembly and the motor which takes this complete mechanism up and down to a particular position in the cell from where the burger needs to be retrieved. The heart of the mechanism is here. This is sort of a, let's call it as a small brain, where there is a lot of electronic circuitry that determines the heating mechanism trigger and then the tilting and final collection. The main brain is inside here, and this is going to get a little darker, but here is the microprocessor. This is a CPU, Intel 8052, that has all the embedded software to control this particular machinery. Alright, now enough of the walk. Now let us see everything in action.